Hi guys, I want to talk to my flat earth friends in South Africa, New Zealand, um, Australia, everybody in the southern hemisphere. Okay, the northern hemisphere people are just cannot see what you see, therefore they believe in something that you cannot see. We have to believe there's a North Pole, Polaris. We don't see it, but you've got to believe it. We believe that the sun circulates the North Pole in the summer, in our winter. We cannot see it, but we believe it. But the opposite is we can see the sun circulating the South Pole. But because we see it and they don't believe you. You're an asshole or an idiot. Okay? You're brain dead. So I'm going to show to my friends in New Zealand, South America, South Africa, Australia. Just look at the sun in the morning, look at the sun in the evening, and look at the sun 12 o'clock. Then look at the moon at night. And then you take this map and you put on social media, what do you think of this map? And then maybe then people will realize what's going on. Okay, so I'm going to explain to you. Look at the moon, it's pointing the sun to the sun. So when the moon is in Africa at night, whatever the time might be, it's pointing towards the sun. Okay, in this case it's pointing northwest. Okay, north, always north. Sun is turning, the moon is pointing north, it's coming from the northeast. Okay, now every single person in the southern hemisphere, let me just first of all show you a compass. Okay, you can go and have a look at where your sun comes up. That's a compass. It will always be southeast. For us, it's about 120 degrees. Southeast in the morning, in the afternoon, it's about 240. Southwest. Okay, so that's the movement of the sun. Okay, from 120 to the cross and from the cross back. So it arcs the southern pole. And in my house, okay, we've got sunset in the southwest. Okay. And then we've got, that's behind the house, southwest. Look at the shades in front of the house. It goes back. And then in the morning, southeast, 120 odd degrees southeast in the morning. Okay. And then look at the shades in the morning. Okay. And then midday, we've got the shade basically there. Midday, the sun is in front of the house. Every single person in the southern hemisphere will see very much the same. Okay, then what you do is you go and have a look at the moon. There's the moon, there's the house. The moon is pointing towards the back of the house, which means it's pointing southwest. Okay, so that happens at night. So during the day you see the curve, okay, from 120 to 0 back to about 240. All depends on where you are. We'll be out 1 or 2 degrees, but it's still south. At night, look at the moon telling you where the sun is. Never ever will it go north. Never ever in the summer. Winter, it's a different story. This is what's happening. The sun comes from B. It crosses your actual, it all depends where you are, but it's crossing I'm staying very much north. And then it's going back south. And then the moon proves that that circle continues at night. The circle A is the flat earth map, completely 100% wrong. Now, as flat earthers, everybody is supposed to look for truths. Everybody is supposed, you guys are extremely good in debugging, looking for small things that's not true. Go and study this map, okay? Call it out for what it is. Be a real flat earther or be a real conspiracy theorist guy. Go and look at the map. The map is corrupt. It corrupts everybody's brains. Okay? Get a new map. Draw up a correct map. Then have an argument about the flat earth. But without the map, rather do not have an argument. Because you need a map to prove your point. Without a map, you will not be able to prove anything. So good luck. Let's see if there's some response.